Welcome back. So this is our second lesson. This is the B part. So we will continue reading notes. Okay, so we are now here at up and down. So look at this. The parts. What are the parts? Of course, the time signature is 4/4. Okay, so it means that we have four beats in every measure. So how many measures do we have? One, two, three, four. So this is the first line, and the second line has four measures also. So one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. So let's read the letters. So C, D, C, D, C, C, two counts. C, B, this is for the left hand. C, B, C, two, three, four. C, D, C, D, C, 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 B, C, B, C. Four beats. Okay, now let's play. Okay, so here's the right hand and here's the left hand. So we will start with the right hand. So C, this is the middle C, the C. Okay, so let's start. C, D, C, D. One, two, three, four. Then left hand. C, B, C, B. One, two, three, four. So the second finger is your B. That's C. Below C is the B. Okay, let's go to the second line. Up and down we travel. C, B, C, B. One, two, three, four, and end. Can we do it again? One more time. C, D, C, D, C, two, three, four. Then left hand. C, B, C, B. One, two, three, four. C, D, C, D. One, two, three, four. Then left. C, B, C, B. One, two, three, four. Yes, very good. Okay, so that is up and down. Okay, now let's go to the next number. Okay, so the next one is here. Two new notes. What are the two new notes? So we have here, if you're going to look at it on top, so C, D, E, and below is C, B, A. Okay, wait, I'll just, okay, so here again, where is C, D, right hand, C, D, so your third finger is the E. So in the ledger lines, it's the first note in the ledger line. So below that's E. Remember that. And left hand is C, B, and A. So A, B, C, D, E. Okay, let's play the rhythm pattern for this exercise. So our time signature is 4/4. Again, 4/4 receives four beats in every measure. Let's play it. So it's one, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. Very good. Okay, let's read it first. So C, D, E, C, D, E, D, C, B, A, B, C, four counts. C, D, E, C, D, E, D, C, B, A, B, C. So it's very important, aside from playing the notes, you should also learn how to read it. Okay? Now, let's go to right hand. So let's start. C, D, E, C, D, E, D, 4. C, B, A, B, C, 2, 3, 4. Second line. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, B, A, B. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. Let's do it again. C, D, E, C, D, E, D. Then C, B, A, B. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, D, E, C, D, E, D. Then C, B, A, B. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then out. Very good. Okay, so we are done with 2 new notes. Now we will go to the dancing notes. So dancing notes. So this is our time signature is 4/4. Okay, so let's read it. So here's the top. This is our speed. C, D, E, D, C, E, half notes. A, left hand, B, B, C, C, D, E, D, C, E, A, B, B, C, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's play it. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. C, D, E, D, C, 2, 3, 4. The left hand, this is A, third finger. A, 2, B, B, 1, 2, 3, 4. C, D, E, D, 1, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, B, B, C, 2, 3, 4. One more time. C, D, E, D. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, B, B. 1, 2, 3. Second line. C, D, E, D. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, B, B, C, 2, 3, 4, and then out. Very good. Okay, we can still play 2 more. Now we have a new note. Yes, so this is C. Look at this one. So in top. So this is page 9, Aaron. So G, A, B, C, D, E, F. In your right hand, so C, D, E, F. Your fourth finger. Your fourth finger is letter F. Okay, so C, D, E, F. And if you're going to check, it is in the first space of treble clef. Space, not line, huh? So F. Fourth finger. In your left hand, your fourth finger is C, B, A, G. G is your fourth finger. Pababa, C, B, A, G. G, A, B, C, D, E, F. So fourth finger, so take note of that. Right hand fourth finger is F, and left hand fourth finger is G. Okay. Now we have a new time signature. Our time signature is 3/4. So look at the second measure, that is a dotted half note. Dotted half note receives 3 beats. Okay, so let's try. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Dotted half note is again three counts. Okay, so again, our time signature is 3 beats in every measure. So let's read it first. Now, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. That's left and right. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Yes. So the dotted half note, like measure 2 and last measure, that is equivalent to 3 counts. Okay, let's play. Ready? Okay, let's play. Go. C, D, E, F, 2, 3. Left hand. G, A, B, C, 2, 3. Do, re, mi, fa. Sol, la, ti, do. Let's do it again. Do, re, mi, fa. Sol, la, ti, do. Do, re, mi, fa. Sol, la, ti, do. Then out. Very good. Okay, now I think last for today. So down the scale. Okay, let's try it. So our time signature is also 3 beats in every measure. Okay, let's count it. This is 1, 2, 3. Do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Do, ti, la, sol. Fa, mi, do. Sorry, imagine na talk. Okay, left hand. Do, ti. So we will start with your left hand. So put your first finger to do. So do, ti, la, sol. Or C, B, A, G. Then right hand, F, E, D, C, 2, 3. Then left hand. Do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, 2. One more time. Do, ti, la, sol, 2, 3. Fa, mi, re, do, 2, 3. Do, ti, la, sol, 2, 3. Fa, mi, re, do. Yes, so this is down the scale. For next week, we will continue page number 10. So again, we for today we discussed we continue playing the scale, the D and the A scale go down end. Okay, down end. And then we continue reading notes, so it's very important. Okay, so again, thank you very much, and see you on our third week, or no, third lesson. I'm sorry, third lesson. Thank you very much, and God bless.